Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Oscar is very concerned about algebraic equations, and PEMDAS is the way to go about solving them. Let's assume that we have a very general form of an algebraic equation that we want to solve, of the form a divided by b plus c divided by d, all raised to the power of e divided by f, and let's assume that that is equal to x. What we want to solve for in this equation is we want to solve for what c is. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally is telling us the order at which we have to unpackage or unwind this side of the equation here to get c isolated. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So what we're going to do is we're going to work through this equation, peeling back the layers of the onion one by one to isolate the c. The first thing that we have to get rid of, because there is no outer parentheses or brackets, is we have to get rid of this exponent e over f. So what we're going to do is, in essence, we're going to raise both sides of the equation to the power of f over e. What will happen is e over f raised to the power of f over e becomes 1. So that goes away. And what we're left with is a over b plus c over d is equal to x raised to the power of f over e. Our next step here is to get rid of the a over the b. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract a over b from both sides of this equation. Of course, a over b minus a over b becomes 0. That cancels out, leaving us that c over d is equal to x raised to the power of f over e minus a over b. Okay, our next step here is going to be to get rid of the d, so we fully isolate the c on one side of the equation. And we're going to do that by multiplying both sides by d. Now we have to be careful to put brackets around our entire right-hand side of the equation before multiplying by d. When we do that, the d in the denominator gets cancelled by the d in the numerator, and we're left with our desired result that c is equal to x raised to the power f over e minus a over b, all of this multiplied by d.